Hello, this is the Bizarre Birds, my, my friend, Crazy Chicken is not here. Sad, right? Well, so, I have came up with something. When someone says you're not a bird, you need to do this. Okay, I'm sorry, you sucker, you loser, no pucker, I'm a bird, haven't you heard? Word! Sorry. Do that to them. And if they give you a mean comeback, just say, oh, sorry, I'm a bird, I can't hear you. Good. And if they keep on going, just be like VenturianTale. I'm a bird, and I'm walking away. There she is. Okay, but anyway, be like VenturianTale if they make a mean comeback.
I have to sing the bird song.
Okay. Well, I'm a bird, and I'm walking away. This is dedicated to you, VenturianTale. Dedicated to you. Okay, but anyway, so we are doing some shout-outs.
Because we love VenturianTale songs.
Yep. Oh,
we know every single one.
Yeah, so, VenturianTale, this is dedicated to you.
Yeah.
VenturianTale. Oh, and also, your Undertale tales are funny.
We love your Undertale tales.
And please don't do genocide. Do not kill anything. Don't listen to him. He's trying to use you. Just make your foes your friends. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Well, bye.